First of all, I express our gratitude on behalf of our organizations, Gram Bharti and Bokaro Vikas Mitra, to ANSF Anusula Supports Fund programs and all the team members. That you have exactly diagnosed where the problems are. The grassroots level transformation of all reforms. And this was ignored, and this is the real problem. Therefore, I thank you all for identifying the real problem, real solutions, where it lies, and you have done well. Now I am Amrendra Kumar Jha, retired engineer of Bokaro Steel Plant, and have worked throughout my life for the social works with our team members, wherever in the village or urban areas. And here up to now, we have done much in different fields. And now, after Corona, we felt that it is must to come forward to revive the economy and social structure of the country ruined by Corona and to be rehonored. Therefore, in last December, we started one center, kind of transformation of all reforms, center of all reforms of the country, either with the government or non-government or individuals. Therefore, we selected two panchayats, Kalapatthar and Nawadi of Chas block, district Bokaro. And on that we started. We have an office up there. We will be equipped with video conferencing and systems for testing at guest house and drones. And by that, two selected areas to complement all the schemes of the government, to implement on the ground with properly guiding and helping the poor farmers. Therefore, started. And first thing was the NDTV senior editor Sri Himanshu Sekhar visited it, and that infused all people here. After that, we moved all the villages, all the corners with my friends, a forum of Bokaro Vikas Mitra of intellectuals, social and others. Therefore, we now after that, by chance, by God gift, Sri Saroj Kumar Jha, Regional Director of World Bank, gifted me just sent a message that if you have done so much, then we can help you throughout. Therefore, we started, we hope, but the Corona again lockdown slowed it down. But in between, a hope came from World Bank, your Madam Anusula Trust Fund Support Fund. We shall use it 100% on the welfare of the ground, as because we are out of our own money and own contribution used to help villagers, and changes, brought many changes, many awareness programs. Now, therefore this fund will be utilized in the panchayats as a center of excellence, development of center of excellence in that panchayat by this fund, which will boost not only these villagers but the whole persons of the Bokaro, those whose children are spread all over India and world, to participate in the development and contribute to their birthplace. Therefore, now, this is the model of now the Dr. Hiralal, a model gaon project of the Banda district. He turned over there and he got the appreciation and support of the Niti Aayog and Prime Minister himself. So therefore, this IS in service now has launched with their friends and teams a model gaon project, model gaon awareness throughout the states and many states. In Jharkhand, we Bokaro Vikas Mitra, which launched in December itself, are now been doing and working on this model gaon implementation on the ground. That our aim was. Our aim is, that mission is. This will fuel our enthusiasm, this will fuel our development, and this all money will be honestly and religiously spend over their differences so that the center can be a center of model of governance and transformation of all reforms. There are many experts, friends, other persons associated with us, those who have worked earlier in many years, and therefore we shall be able to demonstrate at Bokaro how reforms, any reforms of individual government can be transformed on the ground, filling up the gap between the curb and lip of the villagers and those all the schemes put by all government in the cup with different flavor, but not reaching the villagers. Therefore, there is the gap. That gap to link over the others, we shall work out. Therefore, this money will be very boosting, very basically boosting things, and this will be a center of transformation and model for all. Whatever the model is, awareness by Dr. Hiralal as a model government, that demonstration and model will be at Bokaro with your help. Thank you, sir. Now, this is there. He is Dr. Hiralal, who has launched from the Bandha district, getting appreciation of the Niti Aayog, and now launching all states, being in the service. They have selected 25 agendas after a great 4 days debate and thanthan, bringing all stakeholders together, all the stakeholders, those who are stakeholders, all businessmen, all politicians, no politics, and therefore they have decided together that 25 things for a model government should be there. We are not religiously implementing, will be following this model government as this is being a standard, now going to be a standard of all areas for government, for public and social worker or any private agencies. Accordingly, that we have told, we have different agriculture fields. We have one expert, different to national level, that is a new system of agriculture. This is the already officials that they deal with the villagers. We have discussed and conveyed and asked them to help the villagers. We are here to complement the government schemes. Sir, this is all, this is that we have done. And for last so many years here, different things we have done, whatever are thought of by anyone here up from this forum. And there are many schemes, many good schemes that were unique, and now with your support, we shall be demonstrating in a planned and well-managed manner establish centers over these things. Sir, Dr. Kalam is our ideal, or like them, like him, so many people are there, and we have done it so. We have introduced the new latest innovation technology device in blood testing from the startup of Bhubaneswar, and that is reflected here. Therefore, there are innovation, science, introduction of science after Jai Jawan Jai Kisan in the village is our aim, mission to double the income of the farmers. Therefore, each will, that will do. We have already then several times I led to change the villages and work for a model village from my childhood. And this is one example of that when in 2010, when the elected MLA was there, Savesh Neva, we selected one Ojha Digon near Bokaro State City for making it an ideal and a model. And their awareness resulted in having one school which was very far from Itna, from Alakja, Australia. Alakja, he established one school. No, but after change in the government and other things, ignorance, that was stopped to that level. Now again we are exercising, we are doing to encourage, and this your fund, not only fund, this is not a fund, but a blessing, but a message of the world that the people should work for the changes by participating, associating the people of the concerned areas, and then only we can divide and take Bokaro country to the height up. Thank you, sir and madam, all team members.